Hi guys, welcome back to the Art of Home Cooking. Today I'm going to prepare Chapati Pan Pizza. Make a chapati pan pizza. What we have to do at first is that we have to make a pizza sauce. I'm making a very simple pizza sauce. So for that I have given around 2 teaspoon of white oil or refined oil, and in this I will put this around 2 teaspoon of garlic, chopped garlic, and now I will put this tomato sauce. I have 4 tablespoons of tomato sauce, and I have given 1.5 tablespoon of water, and I have mixed it. So I will put this tomato sauce, stir it a bit like this way. And now the last ingredients to make this pizza sauce is that here I have around 2.5 tablespoon of mixed herbs, but I will put around 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs in this, and just have to keep stirring like this. You can see the consistency. You have to continuously stir this, and your pizza sauce for chapati is ready, guys. And now I'm gonna prepare vegetable toppings for pizza and chapati pizza. So what I'm gonna do is I will put again 3 teaspoon of refined oil, and now I will put chopped onion. We'll just fry a bit. I'm using onion and capsicum toppings for chapati pizza. You can use any other toppings such as paneer, chicken, any other toppings according to your preferences. And now I will put this chopped capsicum. And now I will put salt according to taste. So we'll just let it cook for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now I will put one teaspoon of mixed herbs. So our topping is also ready. Now it's time to make chapati pan pizza. So guys, let's start making a chapati pan pizza. So at first what I'm gonna do is I will put the sauce which I have prepared like this way. I will spread it. I will put the topping, capsicum onion topping, in this, just like this way. And now I will put this cheese into this. So our one chapati is ready to go in a pan to become a chapati pan pizza. So let's see what it's up to. So let's make pizza, guys. Okay guys, so it's time to put the pizza in the pan. So at first I will put just 1 teaspoon of white oil, 1.5, it will get heated properly, I will put this chapati pizza here. We'll keep the flame in low and we'll close the and we'll wait for 1 to 2 minutes. So let's see what he's up to. See how beautiful it is turning. We'll again leave it for another 2 to 3 minutes. So let's see our chapati pizza. Yeah. It's done, guys. Now it's time to just take it out in a plate. Guys, our yummy chapati pan pizza is ready to serve. As you can see how yummy it is looking. I have given more mixed herbs in this just to enhance the flavor, and as you can see this, I've cut it into this pizza shape, and it is very yummy, guys. So do try at home. You don't need much ingredients to make this, and your loved ones will love it for sure. And if you like this recipe of mine, then please like, share this to your friends, and subscribe my channel for the such recipe. I really need your love and blessings in this journey of mine, so please be with me. I'm gonna come with another new recipe. So till then, take care. Bye bye, guys.